Morning. Afternoon. Okay, so big plan was today to clean out the van, which I'm working on doing multiple things. So we're cleaning the van at the same time. I'm trying to work on the lamb picture today and possibly the bull one too. Right now I just want to try and get this one going for you guys and get some stuff listed on the web in the middle of cleaning the van. I procrastinate. That's my problem. I like to multitask. That's another problem I have. So, right now I'm going to Gypsy's blankets. I put her in Christine's house because I'm washing her dog blankets. So, next step is I got to go drag the shop vac in, shop vac the entire floor, and then wash the entire floor. And put my fans out so it'll dry it really good so I can get her blankets back in after her blankets are washed and cleaned. So when I say clean, that's the biggest part of cleaning this van. And I need to reorganize some stuff in here as well. And my bed needs to be torn apart completely. I need to take everything off, clean it off, shop vac it. And I'm probably going to throw these blankets in the wash. If I don't get them in the wash today, they will definitely get in there tomorrow, because they definitely have to get dried, and the hair dryer takes forever. So anyways, we're cleaning and we're working on this. This ceiling I am redoing, going to have to redo. I've been watching other videos, so what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go get some more reflex, roll it, because I need to cover up these areas. But I need to get, see, there's water. I have so much water condensation. It's only in this area here, basically around where I sleep. Not so much over here, but it's mostly here, and then some will drip over there. So I'm getting dripped on. But I saw somebody take little, like, 1x1 strips, I guess, and they screwed them into the side rails. So it'd be like 5 screws. And I'm going to do that each rail here, so I have a little strip of wood. I'm going to go get underlayment and slap underlayment up and screw that in. So we'll have a wood ceiling. Because this isn't going to work. I'm going to leave this up because there is insulation under this. But this, yeah. Waiting for a good, because today's the first day we've had. Everything is finally melting. And it's like, it might be 30, I don't know, 29 degrees right now. That's what it says. So, I'm probably not going to do the ceiling until it's closer to where I can actually work out here without snow and wet, because it's just, it makes it harder to do. And then cabinet, I think it's going to go. I like the cabinet, but it's just not efficient in here. I like the storage, yes, but it's not, I have nowhere to really put my little stove to heat up water in here. It's really hard. So this spring-ish, right now I'm currently looking, I think I'm going to get like an entryway table that's open on the bottom, just so I have like a counter space, because I don't want to build. I just don't want to do it. So I'm just looking for an entryway table type thing, because the gas tank is down here, and whatever goes here has to fit around that gas tank. Because I don't want it, because I had to chop into this cupboard so bad to get it to fit in here. And then after I get that in, then either I'll just use containers underneath and just screw it, just put everything back in the containers, or I will find other small furniture pieces that will fit randomly. I don't know. So in design making, I'm not I'm just not going to do it. So I want it to be more efficient storage and be efficient to work, so I can heat up water in here for hot water, and anything else I need to do in here, because right now I don't have that option. I have my stove put away. I've been running her house to use her stove, which is fine, but there are times where at night I want a cup of tea and I don't want to go in. I mean, I'm talking like midnight, 1 o'clock. I'm not going in. No. So, that being said, sorry, it's right on. So, there's water over there just dripped because everything is melting. I need to blast off everything off the roof, I think. I don't know. Oh, the snow. It's absolutely, the sun is beautiful out. That looks so blue through there, and it's not really that blue, but that, for some reason, that looks so blue. Okay, well, back to our project, and I'll catch you guys later. Chique, he come out so cute. Here's the bowl, and he's adorable too. But they come out really beautiful. I'm liking how it distressed on the frame. I'm letting these dry because I just put glue all over them, and but all I have left to do really is probably put another sealer on the outside. But I need to make a paper bag to cover this up. And I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I'm going to make a paper bag and cover this up. I think the bowl will look cute sitting on an easel somewhere next to some sheep picture. These two should just go together. They're so cute together. The sheep does have a hanging hook, so I'm going to leave that intact. But I think he would look better on easel as well. But that is so adorable. Oh my gosh, they are going to be available to you real soon on my website, both of them. I plan on making more. I'm loving the way this looks. As long as I can find some more really nice frames. But these images definitely need the more decorative frames. So I will be looking for more. And hopefully you guys will be looking for more. And I will try to find some more images that are similar but different looks. So if you like them, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And thank you all for joining me at gypsychique.com.